Hi, my name is Cynthia. I live in Union City and I just had a kitchen remodel with Done Right Home Remodeling. As project managers, Ray and Avi definitely delivered. They gave us the right expectation. The project was done on budget, on time, and their customer service really stood out. The communication was wonderful, especially via WhatsApp. I would almost get an instant response. They were very courteous and very accommodating. Ray definitely wanted to make sure that the customers were satisfied, and Avi had a calm demeanor and he was able to find the right person to solve the problem at the time. The team definitely delivered everything that they promised and beyond. I'm very happy with the results. I'll definitely recommend Ray and Avi.